Hello, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today I want to show you the vibration test. So we already prepared two power supply. So we test two servo and one the digital oscilloscope. We'll show you the difference between two servos. So we use there's an IC, the vibration IC. So we already tap on the servo. I will show you. So there's a two servo tester with two servo. So one is 2292 and one is 3292. It's a blue line is for 3292. The yellow line is for 2292. So they all use in 7.4 volts. So we'll start to test. So I will stop. So you can see the digital oscilloscope. The yellow line is 2292. You can see the vibration compared to the 3292. So the 3292 for the new PCB 32-bit and with silence software, and we improve a lot on this part. Okay, so that's how we do the vibration test. If you need to know which item compared to 3292, let us know. I can show you. Thank you.